Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I was going to film my my cousin setup today, but this arrived yesterday and I feel like I need to film an unboxing of it first. As you know, I've already got my cousin for next year, so what could be in this box? This is basically something that I wanted to add to my system in 2020. Never did, and feel huge regret about it now, I'm not gonna lie. So I decided that no, 2021 I absolutely am going to add this to my system. So let's open up. Okay. Ooh. Let me just knock this camera there. But you can see it is a 5-year Hobonichi. So let's move the box out of the way. And let's run through what is actually in here. So the little freebie this year is this little Pentel sign pen. That's really cool. And then I believe in here will be the actual Hobonichi. Oh. I guess you don't get the Jetstream pen if you buy the 5-year, which I wish I'd known, but never mind. So we've just got the little bit of information. Oh, you get like a little test layout. That's really smart, so that you can figure out how you want to lay out your page, I suppose. And then you get the little book, which I believe is all in Japanese, so I can't actually read it, but it just talks you through the ideas, I suppose, of how you can use it. I might actually break out Google Translate in a bit. So, here we go. The 5-year Hobonichi. I got the A6 size because the A6 is a really good size for me in terms of, I've been using it this year as my journal, and I think it's a nice portable size. It's not too big, and I can just, it's enough space for me to write a little bit about my day and then potentially expand onto this side if I need to. I haven't quite decided yet how I'm going to use this side. I'm tempted to put in photos, but I think that'll probably bulk it up quite a lot, so I'm not sure that I am going to do that. But I basically, I just wanted this to be able to record what happened each day, so I can look back on it in years to come, because journaling has just become something that is much more important to me at the moment, and I can journal fully in my cousin. I just wanted to be able to refer to 5 years in this one. So it is thicker than a standard A6 Techo, and this is my one from this year, and it is pretty chunked up because I use stickers in it, but you can see like the spine difference there, and it is definitely it's definitely a lot thicker, I suppose, because really you're getting 2 pages per day instead of the 1 page per day. But yeah, so that is the actual planner. It's got the lovely sort of, I don't know if this is leather or maybe it's faux leather, I'm not sure, but it's got like a more sturdy cover to it than like the cardboard of like the Techo. And then the cover that I went simple. Again, more information there in Japanese, and I just got the leather cover. This is just the plain leather cover. It's natural leather, which, if you're new around here, I am a big fan of natural leather. I like how it ages. I like that over time it shows how much you've used a product. So for me, I wanted to get the natural leather cover so that I can again show quite how much I have been using this planner, how much I have been recording my life daily in this 5-year. So let's just tuck that in there. Hang on, I got that straight. There we go. So this is it's like a slip-in cover. Okay, it maybe needs to stretch a little bit. It is a little bit of a tight fit. Oh, there we go. It's sitting okay now. So it's just a slip-in on either side. There's no pockets or anything. There's nothing fancy. It will just keep the cover of that 5-year nice and tidy. I'm actually going to turn it to the first page. It's the 30th today, I believe. Yeah, the 30th of December. So I'm not going to lie, I thought this wouldn't arrive in time. I didn't anticipate it arriving before the new year. I'm really impressed with how quickly, especially because if you're watching this from the future, we've had there's like a new strain of COVID that's going around that meant that lots of countries shut their borders to the UK, and I ordered this literally like the day before that happened, and it didn't ship until Christmas Eve. And I just was thinking, oh God, if Japan decides to close its borders to the UK as well, then I'm not going to get it in time for the new year. But I'm really impressed that it has arrived. So yeah, so that is my little order from Hobonichi this year. My only direct order this year. I ordered my cousin from Amazon Japan. So yeah, I'm really happy with this, and I'm looking forward to the next 5 years using it. Yeah, I think it's gonna be fun to see it fill up over time. But thank you very much for watching. I will hopefully be back soon with my cousin setup and my 2021 planner lineup video. So if you did like this video, if you do like planner videos, please do like and subscribe. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.